Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Successors Power of Next Gen Technologies.
Today we are going to discuss about files and folders. So I'm taking new and I'm taking a new workbench. So here command set is there regarding files and folders. If you see here, this is the command set for the files and folders. If you click on this plus button, this set of commands will be expand. So now we'll discuss about one by one. Okay. So basically, okay, great. The first thing is copy files. Okay. So let me go here. We'll check whether do we have any files or not. Documents, automation unit files, right? My docs. So here we have these four Excel files, and I want to copy these four Excel files into here. Okay, so let me do that. Oh, I can do copy files. So I'm going here, and I am taking this lead form. Let me check the type of this file. Yeah, it's a Excel file only. So I just want to copy this file into this RPA matrix master folder. So I'm selecting this lead form file. This is the source file. So here I am selecting the file whichever I want to copy, and this is the destination file or folder. So again I am going to the location. So I am going to copy that into this RPA matrix master folder. So I am selecting this folder. I am clicking on OK. This is the destination folder. So this is the source file and this is the destination folder. What does it mean is, see, this file has to copy it into this folder location. That is the task. So saving this. Files, folders. Save it. It runs successfully. It is there. It has been copied to here, right? And again, I want to move the files at a time. Okay. So this time what I'll do, so I'll just go here, and here instead of this specific file name, I'll remove the file name and I'll put the wildcard. So I'm saying star. Star represents any file name and dot. And again star. This star represents any extension type. So what does it mean is copy the file whatever it may be and whatever type it may be. So even though if you have document types, or even though if you have Excel types, or even though if you have PDF types, this command is going to help you to copy. Okay. So I'm saving this. Now all these three files going to copy at a time to here. From here to this, see earlier there is no these remaining Excel files. What are all those? These three. ATM reconciliation, mortgage, and telecom discount, these things. Now, when I am going to run this task, I'm going to save this. I'm going to, okay, give me a second. See, we got some error. We'll check what is that. Let me open that files folder. Okay, files folders. Edit. Editing this. Let me try to run one more time. It's giving some error. Yeah. See, let me select this override files. Override the files or folders. Check this time. See, this time it is running. So it was run successfully. The reason why is, see, when I say here, it will represent all the files because I said all the file names with all the extension types, right? So we already copied this lead form, but when I it's going to try the second time, the lead form is already there earlier. In the first time we have shown that, so we haven't selected the override option. That's why we are getting that kind of error. So whenever I selected the override option, that issue has been resolved. So that is about the thing. And now let me do one thing. Again, I have to write one more logic. What is that is? See, these two files has to be copied to here. How to write that? I'm going to show you. Depends on the logic. So as of now, this config of array and config of array, these two documents are not there. Let me copy these two into the my docs based on the data of modified. Basically, I don't. I'll tell you how to do that. Here, I'm going to select this one and I'll put this one. Okay. So I'll remove this file name and extension type. Star dot star. So this means it should copy all the files. Okay. So to where it should copy? So onto the my ducks folder. So how can I put the condition means how I am going to put the condition is I am clicking at this advanced view. Here I am going to select created or modified date. I am selecting modified date in last 5 days. Okay. That means it should copy the files from this particular other RPA matrix master folder to my docs folder. But the condition is the file whatever you are going to copy that should be modified in last 5 days. If that was modified before that, of course you have modified that file 6 days back. That should not going to be what copy basically. If the file has been modified in 5 days or less than 5 days, then it is going to be copied. See, if you see here, this config of array, see here you can see the date of modified. So config of array has been modified 3rd day, 3rd of this month, 3rd of June. So it is less than 5 days. So let me go on run and we'll check whether it is going to do these things or not. Okay. I'm going to run this. Let's run. Check. See, these two has been copied and this also copied because this is also has been created less than 5 days. So remaining files not copied. So that's how we will work with the different command sets over here. If you check this here, remaining things, this is between. Between means again I am going to do one thing. I'll let me remove. Going to delete all these files to make the clear understanding. So now I am going to say between. So here I am going to say 6th month, 1st day, 2019. So again I am writing 6th month, 6th day. That means today. If any file has been created in between these timelines, selecting this, that should be copied. Okay, it's not considering a valid date. Oh, okay. Let me put it in this way. Six, one, nine, okay. I'm going to remove the zeros. Validate. Why it's not taking? Oh, sorry. It is saying 2 digits, right? So why not 4 Ys? Okay, I remove this. Yep, it's saved. Run from this step. It has been executed. Executed. So all the things has been copied. Maybe now I'm going to create one more file. Here I'll create. Hmm, I don't want the folder. I just want a file. So new text document files test. This is the file name. So I'm going back here and I'm removing all these things. So and I'm going to let me open automation here. RPA matrix. So here I'm going to change this range. So 6 month, 5th day to 6 month, 6th day. I'm saving this. Save it. I'm going to run this. It has been ran successfully. This time all the files not copied. Only sometimes some files only has been copied. So as per this system record, these files has been created in this timeline. See, let me go and see. Some data modified. Your telecom discount rate. Telecom discount properties. Created if you see June 6th. That's the reason it has been copied. So this is not the wrong output. Don't assume like that. Okay, so this is about copy file commands. We'll check the remaining commands quickly. Okay, what's the next command? Next command is rename command. So I just going to select. Uh, I'm going here. I'm selecting this first name. I'm opening this. Here I'm going to say instead of files test, I'm saying a test file dot txt. Save this. I'm running from this step. It has been run. What happens? This is not happen. Save. Run from this step. Files test does not exist. See, it's already modified. It's there. But why? Okay, here, right? We are checking some other places. So it has been modified earlier. See, if you want to check again, say I'll make it reverse. I'm copying this. So I'm pasting over here. Files test txt. So I am doing reverse. See, as of now, here if you see test file is there. So I'm running this task. It should be changes files test. If you come here, yeah, see it's become files test. But this time you want to do only one thing. So you want to change the extension of file, but you don't want to change the file name. Just I want to change extension of all the text files. So here I'm going to select star.txt. Okay, star.star, and I'm going to make this one as star.bak. So now all the files extension has to be modified to .bak. That means backup files. All these four files. That's the requirement. Now from this step, yes. See, all the extensions has been modified. See, if you see type here, bak. This is what. Yeah, like this, you will modify. Again, this advanced feature will remain same, just like copy file only. So next command I am going to do delete files. So I'm selecting this. So if you are going to select one file and if you run this, this is going to select that file. So I'm click on this one file I am going to delete. So again, this advanced features remain same. So now I want to delete all the files with a backup extension. So I'm removing all these things. I'm saying star. I'm saying this. So now it should remove all BAK extensions. The proof is, let me show. New document TS. This is the text file. Remaining are the backup files. When I run this, run from this step. See, if you go here, all backup files has been deleted. So now I want to create a new file. So how can I create means? I'll go here. Here I'll say I'm going to documents, automation anywhere files, automation anywhere. So this path can be selected whatever you want. So I want to create the file under this file location. That's the reason I'm doing here. So under my docs, I'm going to, so I'm giving one more slash here. I'm going to say the file test files, test file creation dot txt. I want to create the text file. Save this, save this, run from this step. See, it has been created, and this time again I want to create the not text file, I want to create the doc file. Okay, save, run from this step. It's done successfully. See, doc file here. This is also created. This is the document, what document file. This is the text file, and again I'm going to run. Okay, it has been closed. So like this, you will be able to create the files. So this is about creating the files. This time we are done with the text file and we are done with the doc file, and this time I'm going to create the CSV file. CSV. If the file is already there, just I'm asking to overwrite it. So I'm running from this step. Yes, it's done, and the this is the CSV file also. Text file creation CSV file also has been created. Now I am going to show you one more thing. So this time I want to create the Excel file. XLS. Save. Just do this. And from this step, yeah, Microsoft Excel also has been created. And again, I want to create the PDF. So again, I'm changing the extension to PDF. Same, same, and this. Oh, I am creating all. I'm running all the things. I don't want all these things. Just I want to run this fourth line. So run from this step. So it's done successfully. We go here. The PDF files are created. Now let me tell you what is going to happen. So I'm just trying to open. Okay, this has been converted into VAK file. Okay, let it be. I'm trying to open test file. See, it has been opened. And actually, I tried to open the document file and it is open. And this time I'm going to open the text file. This is also open. But if I try to open the PDF, see, it is giving some error to you. At the same time, if I try to open this Excel file, again this also will give the error. So if I say yes, so by default it is not opening. It is asking you some permissions. So in general, the recommended way of creating, that means the recommended file types is CSV, text file and doc file only. Remaining things, if you do that, there is no guarantee that will work as expected. So the create file is meant for only these three types. What is that? Text file, CSV file, and as well one more type, document type, .doc. That means Word file. These three only recommended formats of this one. Okay. This is about create file command.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to get regular notifications.